I'm gonna do something stupid so you don't have to. My back. So this is the new Betafpv HD system, the Vr04 hdfpv goggle and the P1 air unit VTX. It was originally made for the small drones like the BNF Aquila. I'm gonna put the name on the screen.
Tequila.
Or you can put this thing on the Meteor 75 Pro, the one that working with the DJI O4 Lite. But what if you put this thing on the 5-inch quad? And if it worked, it's gonna be the great option for people who want to try the HD instead of analog, but don't want to waste money. This is $35 compared to DJI O3 or O4, hundreds of dollars. I mean, if it worked, and it's gonna be a great option. I gotta readjust the camera because the sun keeps going up and down. And I'm a bit lazy to set up the light in the room. But you know, for the tiny drone, this thing could be a great option because it's even lighter than the DJI O4 Lite unit. According to the website, it's only like 6.7 grams. In order to make it work on the 5-inch, it's kind of spooky when the first time I plugged that into my quad, it doesn't work for some reason. And I checked that the input power was only 5 volt and my flight controller only had the 4.5 port. And after a while I figured out and I just wire the power cable into a different position and it actually worked. The first time when I looked through the goggle, I don't know, it actually crispy, like crystal clear for a box goggle. Maybe I get used to the feeling when you're wearing an old analog goggle set. That's super sharp, like crystal clear, even clearer than the DJI O3. Interesting. And it was like, it's not like the DJI product, when DJI Goggle 2, which is my daily goggle, it's like super close to your eyes like that. I need to scale that down for easier to fly. I don't know, maybe this thing gonna give me a different feeling when I fly, but at the moment it's pretty cool. The parts that I'm using the same UART I was using for the DJI O3 before, and when I plug that in, every OSB and things that I set up with the DJI show up on the screen. So the next problem I encounter when trying to put that on my quad is the camera cable. It comes with like 5-centimeter cable. It's super short. And I did some research. Some people saying if you put this thing on the Meteor 75 Pro, the one that working with the DJI O4 Lite, you just need to plug and play. You don't have to change anything in any wire or stuff like that. And I saw that the cable looked a bit like the DJI Vista. So I contact Betafpv and they respond super fast and they saying that they don't know yet. At the moment there's no company that making the wire, the cable. And then I said that I'm trying to do some content for the VTX and they for a couple days, like 2 days. And they come back and respond like, oh, it actually worked. They contact the manufacturer company, which is Artisan. After that, I plugged that in, and it actually worked. Incredible. The moment of truth. Battery in. Is it on yet? Yup. Hold down the button hidden in here, and when you hear the beeping, click on the button up here and then they bind together. And the next problem I encounter is the camera is quite small, you can see. And so I contact my friend, my best online pilot friend, I guess, and he helped me to make like a TPU adapter so the camera is like a little bit bigger so you can put that on the 5-inch. And also he made me the cage to cover this thing, and it to, you know, for more protection, I guess, and like a sandwich, so it covered the whole VTX, the board. So We got a complete upgraded version of the Betafpv P1 air unit. Oh my god, the name. Now the only thing that we're gonna need to worry about is the latency. According to the Betafpv, the latency gonna be around 60 millisecond, which is a little bit higher than the DJI-03 when you fly at the 4K 60 frame, which is 40 millisecond, I guess, or maybe 30. Let's go fly and find out. And if it works, it's gonna be great. I don't know, I'm so excited, man. So I'm at the spot, my favorite spot. I mean favorite. It's kind of cloudy, cold, and windy, but better than nothing. Better than the things. You know, I'm gonna show you the footage coming from the goggle, because this VTX doesn't have any internal memories or SD card on it. So for some reason it did not connect.
2 hours later.
Oh my god, I'm feeling like I'm like an idiot. I plugged the battery in, turned on my goggle. I didn't get any signal, and then I freaked out. I was like, what did I do wrong? And then I just tried to rebind the VTX and the goggle, but it actually, the power cable got loose. Feels like an idiot. Now it's time to go fly. So I got the signal right now. Let me turn my head over here for easier. I'm gonna fly slow and steady just to see how the penetration works. So I'm around like 100 meters away from me. Oh, like there's a guy. And then through the tree like that. Now the signal is around 3 bar through a lot of ranges. 3. So I'm going a little bit further. Still like 3 bar of signal. Oh shit, there's like a person. 3. Now I got out like 2 bar. So it's not too bad. Oh, and also something that I want to mention, that I'm still flying with the small antenna for the Tinywhoop. Not changing any antenna. Maybe it will get a lot better when you change the antenna to something like Lollipop or better antenna. Some basic trick like split edge, power loop, no problem. Trippy, should I try the trippy? Let's see if I can do a Matty over here. Yeah, it's still working good. Wind, oh. Quite windy, you can see the cloud moving pretty fast. It's quite hard to fly in this weather, but we got a big problem. Every single time when I hit the quad on the back, it stopped the video transmitting for some reason. With the front, it's okay, it's still working fine. Still okay, not too bad. Not good, but not too bad. Should I try the trippy spin? With the wind though. Oh, this time it doesn't stop the... Maybe when I crashed with the back hitting on something, it shocked the VTX, and it like some protection protocol the Betafpv put into the VTX. When it detects the shock, it stopped working, I guess. I hope that they will fix that problem in the future update, or maybe we can find a way to fix that by creating a better TPU to cover the VTX, so when crash, it absorbs the shock, so the VTX still working fine after crash. I will update in the comment down below, because you know, the video is already too long. Oh, my prop is already bent. A 170 FOV is kind of cool. Still doing good. Oh my god, the wind carried my quad away. Oh. Oh, the wind. Oh, shit. Oh. Stupid wind. For the latency, some situation that I almost hit something, still have enough time to react, but if you are a spam pilot or racer and you get used to the feeling with zero latency of analog or DJI O4 Pro with the race mode, gonna be a big no for you. But for me, for flying with flow or cinematic or just having fun is okay. The video quality compared to DJI Vista is a lot better, but you can compare to DJI O3 and O4. It's not a fair fight anyway. But I guess at the end of the videos, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. I will answer every single comment. And I just want to wish you guys the best of luck. And you know, if you like, enjoy the video, just give me a like, a comment, a sarap kaparay.
Sarap pakaray.
I mean a subscribe, but also have a good day or night.